Facts and characters of the play King John by William Shakespeare. Full title: The Life and Death of King John. It is a history play and it is based on English history during the reign of King John of England 1199 to 1216. Source: Raphael Holinshed's Chronicles, and date of composition 1594 to 1596, and it was first published in 1623 in the first folio of William Shakespeare's work, and it is written in 5 acts and its setting in England and France. Historical period shown: early 13th century, central conflict, dispute over the English throne, struggle between King John and Prince Arthur. Major themes: legitimacy of kingship, power and politics, nationalism and patriotism, treachery and betrayal, innocence versus cruelty, church versus state, moral focus, political ambition leads to moral corruption, tone: serious, political, tragic, notable feature: strong political debate rather than romance, and famous character: Philip Falconbridge the Bastard, voice of patriotism, ending tragic, King John dies by poisoning. Place in Shakespeare's work: I Stand Alone history play and not part of the two tetralogies, and historical accuracy loosely based on history with dramatic changes. Characters of King John. Main characters: King John, King of England, brother of King Richard I, politically weak, morally flawed ruler. Prince Arthur, son of Geoffrey, lawful claimant to the throne, symbol of innocence and legitimacy. Constance, mother of Prince Arthur, strong-willed, emotional, tragic figure. King Philip of France supports Arthur's claim, politically opportunistic, and Louis the Dauphin, son of King Philip, marries Blanche and later invades England. Blanche of Castile, niece of King John, used as a political pawn in marriage. English novels: Philip Falconbridge, legitimate son of King Richard I, bold, patriotic, outspoken, represents English nationalism. Robert Falconbridge, half brother of Philip, lawful heir to land. Earl of Pembroke, English nobleman, and Earl of Salisbury, loyal English lord. Lord Bicot, English noble, critical of John. Church and foreign character: Cardinal Pandolf, papal legate, and manipulative and politically powerful. Archduke of Austria, enemy of England, killed by Philip Falconbridge. Minor characters: Hubert de Burgh, loyal servant of King John, assigned to kill Arthur but spares him. Chatillon, French ambassador, and James Gurney, servant to Lady Falconbridge. Peter of Pomfret, prophet who predicates John's fall. Executioners, lords, messengers, soldiers. Why King John is important: shows politics without heroism, focuses on national identity, presents